Hello everyone, my orange CraftBot 3D printer from Craft Unique is printing 2 items. These 2 items are the components of this MiniPlan V6 robot from MiniPlan, a company based in Taiwan. Items were sliced with a Cura, the old version, 15.02.1. That's how it looks like. And as you can see from the print, icon on the right has warped. You see the warping. But at the long side, it still holds it stable. So printing time is about 1 hour and 1 minute, and the printing has been ongoing for about 31 minutes. Thank you for watching.